Hello, welcome again. We are solving general aptitude of GATE 2015 of aerospace engineering paper. Question number 10 is a coin is tossed thrice. Let X be the event that had occurred in each of the first two tosses. Let Y be the event that a tail occurs on the third toss. Let Z be the event that two tails occur in three tosses. Based on the above information, which one of the following statement is true? Option A, X and Y are not independent. Option B, Y and Z are dependent. And option C, Y and Z are independent. And option D, X and Z are independent. So here the coin is tossed three times and probability of head and tail is equal. So in three tosses the sample space can be H equal head, T equal tail. So the number of possibilities are or the sample space is HTT, HHT, HTH, HHH, THH, THT, TTH, and TTT. So these are 8 in number. So there are 8 possibilities or 8 different combinations we can get when the coin is tossed 3 times. So first event is your X event, and that is the event that had occurred in each of the first two tosses. So for this the sample space is because had occurred in first two tosses, one this and one this. No had in first two tosses. Okay, so it has two elements HHT and HHS. And second event is uh, tail occurs on the third toss. So tail occurs in third toss is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 events are there: HST, TTT, HTT, THT. Okay. Third event is Z event, that is two tails occur in three tosses. So two tails occur in three tosses: HTT, THT and TTH. Two tails, here two tails are there, and here there are two tails, here there are two tails. Okay, so there are three events in which two tails are there. So now we have to check from the option, we have to check dependency. So for independent event, the formula is PB, if B and A are two events, PB intersection A, P is probability of intersection B intersection A should be equal to probability of B multiplied by probability of A. Okay, so that is the formula for independent event. Now if we check option one by one. So for option A, the probability of X event is, as there are two elements, so probability of X event is 2 by 8, and for probability of Y event is 4 by 8. Okay. So Px into Py is 2 by 8 into 4 by 8, that is 1 by 8. Okay. And if we find out the intersection of these two, so we have HHT as common, so one event. So X intersection Y is HHT, so it is its probability is 1 by 8. So as Px into Py is 1 by 8 and Px intersection Y is also 1 by 8, so this condition is satisfied, so it is independent. But here it is given that they are not independent, so they are independent. So now we'll check the second part, Y and Z. So Y and Z dependency. So Py is again same 4 by 8 and Pz is 3 items, so 3 by 8. So Py into Pz is 3 by 16 for by 80 1 by 2, or it will be 3 by 16. And Y intersection Z is Y intersection Z. Y is this and Z is this. So Y intersection Z is HTT 1 and THT 2. So two events are there. Okay. So its probability 2 by 8 or 1 by 4. So this condition is not, because this is 3 by 16 and this is 1 by 4. Product means 3 by 16 and this is 1 by 4, so they are not independent. So it means they are dependent. So answer is option B. Okay, so no need to check further. Answer is B.